For a real family-sized tumble dryer that will fit into any home, the LTS2832W is a great modern appliance that's packed full of features and carries an unbeatable A++ energy rating to ensure low running costs. With a really generous 8 kilo capacity, this is a great choice for modern families and will easily fit large items like coats, bed sheets or duvets. In fact, there's even a specialist cycle designed specifically for your bedding. That's just one of the 16 different programs that you can select here on the user-friendly dial. Choose from specialist programs for shirts or jeans to sportswear through to great everyday programs. This model has all the flexibility required to tailor the cycle to your needs. And if you hate ironing, you'll be pleased to hear that every program will run in conjunction with the anti-creasing feature, and the reverse action drum makes it extremely gentle on your fabrics too. Every cycle is assisted by BLOMBERG's sensor technology that assesses each load and judges precisely how long the cycle should run for, saving you time and money. This machine is all about fitting around your needs. With the delay start timer, you can load the machine and set it to run at a time to suit you. So whether you want to wake up to toasty socks in the morning or have the machine finish the cycle when you get home, you can delay your selected program for up to 24 hours. Convenient, flexible and assisted by smart technology, the LTS2832W is a great family-sized tumble dryer. Backed by a 3-year guarantee, you really know it's built to last. And as it's a condenser-style dryer that requires no venting or pipes, it'll fit into any home. So let's remind you of those key features again.